Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous kaftan dress, so let's begin. For this project you'll need 60-inch wide fabric and approximately 2.5 meters. Begin by folding your fabric in half. It should measure 39 inches on the fold. The length of my kaftan is 60 inches. This can be altered to your preference. Fold that fabric in half and pin the sides of the open side. Next, you can cut the folded end to get two separate pattern pieces. Once you've done this, you can begin by hemming the top of the kaftan on both pieces. Once you've done this, this is how it should look. From the top of the kaftan, measure down the sides 8.5 inches and place a pin here. Do this for all four sides on both pattern pieces. Then carefully hem the sides that you've just marked up to the 8.5 inch point. This will be your sleeve opening. Once you've hemmed all four sides, this is how it should look. Next, place both pattern pieces right sides together. Bring the ends together to find the center. You now need to find the circumference measurement of your shoulders. Mine was 40 inches. Divide 40 by 4 to get 10 inches. Now mark this 10 inches from the folded edge as shown. Then pin the two top layers and two bottom layers together. This will give you the off-shoulder effect of the kaftan, and it would sit nicely just off your shoulders. You can now stitch from the pin placement to the end of the fabric as shown. Do this on both sides. And this is how your kaftan should now look. Now measure down 8 inches for the armhole and carefully pin. Repeat on the other side. Now from the pin point, stitch the side of the kaftan all the way to the bottom. You can go ahead and hem the kaftan. Now take a 1-inch strip of fabric, carefully fold it as shown. So fold the ends to the center and then fold it in half. pin into position. Now top stitch close to the edge. And this is how it should look once done. Now fold and cut the strip in half. Fold the kaftan to find the center of the neckline and place the pin to mark this. Approximately 3 inches from the pin position, you would place one of the strips and secure with a pin. Pin the strip on the wrong side. Then repeat for the other side. Remember to place the strips on the front of the kaftan on the wrong side. You should have something that looks like this. Next, carefully stitch the strips into position. Once done, this is how it should look. Your dress is now complete, and here's the final look. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time for another one. Thank you.